Welcome to the Asian Food Diary. Oh, you are in for a treat today. We're going to dive into something that's just an absolute explosion of flavor, the classic spicy Burmese green mango salad. It's so simple, so fresh, and honestly, it's one of those recipes you won't forget. We're going to go through it step by step.
You know that feeling when you're craving something that hits all the right notes? A little bit tangy, a little bit sweet, with just the right amount of spicy kick? Well, that's exactly what this salad is all about. It brings together that sharp tang from the green mango, a lovely sweetness from the sugar, and then, bam, that vibrant chili kick. It's a total party for your taste buds.
All right, let's talk ingredients. And you know what? You're probably going to be surprised at just how short this list is. Seriously, you don't need a ton of stuff to create something this delicious. The real secret here is letting a few really fresh, simple ingredients do all the talking.
Okay, so first up, the star of the show. One big, firm green mango. Then you'll need about a teaspoon of sugar. That's for balance. For the heat, we're using two kinds. Some roasted chili powder, which gives it this deep, smoky vibe, and then a little green chili powder for a brighter, fresher kick. And of course, some salt to just, make all those flavors pop. That's literally it.
Okay, ingredients are ready. Now for the fun part, the prep. This is where the magic really starts to happen, where we take that simple green mango and turn it into something special. Okay, so let's get into the prep. Step one is probably the most important, so listen up. You're gonna wash the mango really well, then slice off the stem. See, this lets you rinse away all that bitter sap. You have to get rid of it. It's absolutely crucial for getting the best flavor. After you've desapped it, go ahead and peel off the skin and give the mango one final rinse. Now for the fun part. You can either shred it into these lovely thin strips, or you can slice it up into little rings. It's totally up to you. It really just depends on the kind of texture you're going for.
All right, the mango is prepped, the spices are ready. It is time for the final mix. This is where we bring everything together and create that amazing, addictive flavor we've been talking about.
So go ahead and grab a nice big bowl, put all that shredded or sliced mango right in there. Then just sprinkle in your sugar, your salt, that smoky roasted chili powder, and the green chili powder. I mean, even at this stage, it looks and smells incredible, right?
Okay, one word of advice here, and it's a big one. Gently. You really want to mix everything together carefully. The goal is to coat every single piece of that mango with the spices, but without bruising it. That's the secret. That's how you keep it perfectly crisp and crunchy.
And you know what's great about this salad? It's so versatile. I mean, it is absolutely fantastic next to a plate of hot rice. It just cuts through anything rich perfectly. But honestly, it's just as amazing all by itself as a super refreshing, zesty snack.
And before you serve it, there's one last super important step. You gotta taste it. Seriously, this is your salad. Does it need a pinch more salt? A little more sugar to cut that tang? Or hey, maybe you're feeling brave and want to add even more chili. Go for it. Adjust it until it tastes absolutely perfect to you. So, what do you think? It just goes to show you, right? You can take a handful of really simple ingredients, treat them with a little care, and turn them into something just extraordinary. For more delicious explainers just like this one, be sure to like and subscribe.